Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the cytohormonal study of the vaginal epithelium. So to begin with, the parabasal and the basal layer. So there is the parabasal and the basal layer. So this is a small round basophilic. So the cells, it is small, it is round, it is also basophilic, and they have a large nuclei. So there is presence of the large nuclei. Now what are the hormones which are related to this? The hormones related, it includes, there is a lack of hormonal activity. So talking about hormones, there is minimal activity, there is lack of hormonal activities. So what is the age of women? The age here is, it involves the childhood. So it involves the childhood. And this is childhood till the puberty, And then there is also the presence of the menopause. So in terms of the menopause, and this is with the atrophy. Then let's move on to the intermediate cells. So intermediate cells. So the cell characteristics, it is transparent. So here it is transparent. So it's transparent, it is also the basophilic. So it is transparent, it is basophilic. By basophilic, it is there is blue-green color. And there is also presence of the vesicular nuclei. So this presence of the vesicular nuclei. Now what about the hormones? The hormones, there is the progesterone. There's presence of the progesterone, as well as the presence of the androgen. So there's progesterone, there's presence of androgen, as well as the presence of the corticosteroid. So it is P, A and C. Now let's look at the age. The age of women for the intermediate cells, it is in pregnancy, as well as at early transition of the menopause. Early transition of the menopause. Now let's move on to the superficial cells. So under the superficial cells, the cell type, it involves the large cells. So there are presence of the large cells, and they have a pycnotic nuclei. So there is presence of the pycnotic nucleus, and it is acidophilic on staining. It is acidophilic on staining. So what are the hormones with the superficial cells? The hormones in superficial cells, it is the estrogen. And what is the age? The age group involved, it will be the reproductive period. It is the reproductive period, as well as the pre-ovulatory phase.